Do you smell that? So, hi everyone, welcome back to another fishing adventures with me, Tom. And today we're going to start our day off with a little stream fishing, similar to last week that I did, but didn't really catch anything major. And we'll give it a shot because it's on our way to certain other ponds and lakes, and so we figured let's make a stop here and see what they got. So thank you for joining us on this one. I'll see you guys in a bit. Beaver. Any fishing? They're on, but they're tiny. Oh my god! There we go. I can't believe I got a bass here. Check it out, guys. I walk right down, and I got a bass. Watch out for these treble hooks. There we go. Not big enough, it's not a keeper, but look how pretty that thing is. Yeah. Well, best thing I got right now. So. Okay. Thanks, buddy. Let him go, let him grow. There it goes. All right, that was nice. Let's see if there's another one out there. Oh, hoping that there was a big one. That's actually a pretty good size. Wait, what? Oh, there was another bite. Oh man. So there's actually a couple of bass lying in here. Oh man, I scared him away already. Here we go. Here we go. Got him. A little bit chunky little baby bass here. Alright. You can shake as much as you want, but you ain't going nowhere, my friend. All I wanted to do was a buddy release, but I guess you're not allowing me to get too much dirt in your eyes and stuff. Okay, buddy, see ya. So, I haven't had much luck with bass. I'm gonna switch it up. Let's try to catch those sunfish. And I'm talking giant sunfish. Let's go. Worm on this thing here. Let's see if there's any big ones here. Going down. I got the feeling I'm gonna get some fish. Question is, are they the big ones? Okay, okay, biting already. Oh, this is a good one. This is a good one. Decent size. Look at that. Look at that. Alright, so we're talking about not that big. Not that big. Let him go. This one. For fun. Something's on it. There we go. Not big. Not big. Aye. Not big at all. Here he is. Go this way. Almost. I think he's just gotta be here. somebody took it. And here we go. Oh yeah, that's a good size. That's a keeper right there. Finally, got one keeper. Oh, he swallowed it pretty deep. There we go, got him. Good. 6-7 incher or so. Line seems to be moving. Okay. Oh, yeah, definitely. It's on and here we go. Fish on. And he took my worm and swallowed it pretty deep. Okay, in order to save it. Of course, I missed it, but I knew that trout was hiding right there. And oh, this is a new species for me. It was right under there. This time I came back with the worm. Darn it, I can't believe I missed on video. Just got him. I don't even know what kind of trout is this. Oof. Oof. It's the first time I'm catching something like this. Nice. Now, I gotta be careful. Let me get my grip. I knew that he was right here. Let me just see. I'm gonna see if he's still good. Let's see. Looks like he's going. If he's not gonna make it, I'm gonna have to take him. Okay, looks good. Looks good, guys. Yes, yes. That was good, guys. Got him right there. Darn it. Again, I thought I had the video on. Anyway, that was good. He was there before when I was using the repeller. He chased it, but he didn't go for it. So now I came back with the worm, the live worm, less than 2 seconds. First cast, got him. All right, guys, that's it for today. But that was a fun last catch. That trout made my day. Loved it. I couldn't tell what kind of trout it was. I wanted to get him back into the water, so I took a quick pic, took a look at it. Let me know if you guys know what that is, because it looks like it must first kind. So first species of that kind of trout. Thank you for watching. See you guys back next time. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe.